Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using 3 proven methods. And no, none of these methods are get-rich-quick schemes like MLMs or other nonsense. Instead, I'm going to show you 3 methods I've personally used to make several $million online. So if you want to make money online and build real sustainable income streams, then please keep watching. And if you're excited about this video, please like it right now and drop a comment below saying, let's do this. My name is Nathan Gotch and I founded my company Gotch SEO back in 2013. And since then, I've helped hundreds of companies achieve SEO results. I have over 1,000 students enrolled in my premium training course, Gotch SEO Academy, and my SEO work has been featured on Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Business.com. But today, I want to show you the 3 methods I use to make money online. Now, to be honest, if I can make money online, then you can too. I started my company in 2013, $40,000 in debt, and my only funding was a credit card with a $500 limit. I also had 0 previous experience as an entrepreneur. Now, making money on your own without a traditional job is a simple 3-part process. Number 1, it starts with your mindset. If you don't embrace the right mindset, it's very difficult to achieve success on your own. I literally had to rewire my mind because I believed that the only way to make money is through a traditional job like being a lawyer. I also had no idea that it was possible for an average person like myself to make large sums of money. And in a couple of seconds, I'm going to explain exactly how you need to think if you want to improve your odds of making money online. Number 2, you need to develop core and complementary skills. And it doesn't matter what method you use to make money online because skills are what make the difference. For example, I developed my skill of SEO, which is the process of ranking websites on Google and other search engines. I knew that if I actually mastered this skill, I could achieve financial freedom. And since then, I've added complementary skills which have made me, as an individual, more valuable in the marketplace. And many internet marketers have said this before me, but your income is directly proportional to the amount of value you add to the marketplace. In other words, the more valuable you become, the more money you're capable of making. Number 3, you need to choose a method and stick to it for an extended period of time. Now, shiny object syndrome isn't always a bad thing, but it's deadly when you're starting out. It is the single biggest source of failure because it stops you from going all in on an idea. And the reason why people fall victim to shiny object syndrome is because fear is dictating their actions. The truth is, it's scary going all in on something, but that's the only way to move forward with anything. So now let me quickly explain the 2 mindset shifts you need to make if you want to be successful in making money online. And it's simple. You have to accept that you will fail. And this is probably not the tip you were expecting, but it's true. Failure is the only guarantee when it comes to being an entrepreneur and making money on your own. But this is the exact point where you need to shift your mindset. I was always conditioned that failure was a bad thing. And now I know that it's the most critical part of being successful. However, it's not the failure itself that creates success. It's the process of learning from failure and then pushing past it and continuing on the journey. And failure is also an indication that you're taking action, which is the second mindset shift you need to make. There is simply no success in anything without action. You can read, watch, and consume all day, but nothing happens until you actually do something. And most people don't act because they fear the unknown. They fear failure. But you know that failure is the key to success. Therefore, you should act, embrace the possibility of failure, learn from your mistakes, and keep acting. Now, there are countless other mindset shifts, but these 2 have had the biggest impact on my life. So to recap, embrace failure because it's the catalyst for growth. And number 2, prioritize action over consumption. A simple 80-20 split will work here. Spend 20% of your time learning and the other 80% of your time acting on what you've learned. All right, so now let's talk about the 3 proven methods you can use to make money online. Number 1, offer digital marketing services. This is by far the fastest way to start making money online. In fact, offering SEO services to small businesses is how I went from $0 to $20,000 per month back in 2014, And it was the single reason why I was able to escape my dreadful 9-to-5 job as a security guard. Now, offering digital marketing services is great for beginners because there is no overhead, there's no product development, and you get immediate cash flow. And then that cash flow can be reinvested into other more scalable income streams. And the good news is that you don't need to be in the top 1% of digital marketing expertise. You just need to know more than the average business owner. So here's a simple process you can follow. Number one, pick a digital marketing skill to master. Number two, get base knowledge. You can acquire base knowledge about any skill from YouTube or by joining training courses. Now, the latter is the better option because good training courses walk you through the complete process step by step. But either way, once you've acquired some base knowledge of your chosen digital marketing skill, I recommend number three, create a test project. You need to get results on your own before you try to help other people. And that's why I always recommend starting a niche website. A niche website allows you to get your hands dirty and it forces you to learn. The end result is that it can become a portfolio website and it has the potential of making you money as well. And number four, get clients. So once you have some proven results, then you should start trying to acquire clients. And when you're new, you need to get some wins under your belt because you need to build a portfolio. And a portfolio of results is the single best sales vehicle a digital marketer can have. As they say, results speak for themselves. So that said, don't try to get premium pricing on your services out of the gate. Your only goal in the beginning should be to build a portfolio at all costs. I'll get into client acquisition in future videos, so please subscribe to my channel to learn more. So here's a tip from my friend Chris Dreyer, who runs a 7-figure digital marketing agency here in St. Louis.
Hey guys, my name is Chris Dreyer. I am the CEO and founder of Rankings.io. Nathan reached out to me and he asked this question: what's the number one tip that you recommend for anyone that wants to make money through digital marketing and SEO? So the number one tip I have is to concentrate on the consumer, concentrate on your prospect and providing value to them. How can you provide information that's different that maybe that they can't find anywhere? Think about how you can truly serve their needs, because that's what it's all about. It's not you, the hero, it's helping them. Think about being that mentor, that Yoda, and just continuously improve and provide value to your end consumer. That's the number one method for making money online, is to provide value to your consumer.
Now, the next method I've used to make money online is through number two, affiliate marketing. I make several thousands of dollars every single month by simply promoting other companies' products. For example, here are the commissions from just one of the affiliate programs I'm a part of. And I even get swag from companies like SEMrush because I'm one of their top affiliates. Now, the truth is, affiliate marketing is awesome because all you need to do is find amazing products in your niche, promote them to your audience, and get paid whenever they purchase it. That means you can purely focus on getting traffic and pre-selling your offers. Then from there, the company you're promoting does all the heavy lifting. Now, there aren't many truly passive ways to make money online. However, affiliate marketing is the closest opportunity you can get to passive income if you do it the right way. Now, there are many ways to do affiliate marketing. However, creating affiliate websites designed to attract free traffic from Google is best. In fact, it's so effective that the New York Times purchased Wirecutter, an affiliate website, for $30 million. And then look at these affiliate websites on sale on Empire Flippers. The top affiliate site is making $49,000 per month. And guess what? That affiliate website gets 47% of its traffic from Google for free. And the second site on this list is selling for $1.3 million. It gets 96% of its traffic from Google. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing, then you need to learn how to drive free traffic from Google using SEO. And I'll have some videos below this video to help you get started. So now over to Miles Beckler, who runs a 7-figure affiliate marketing business and has an awesome YouTube channel. Miles is going to share his number one tip for affiliate marketing.
Great question, Nathan. So without a doubt, the number one tip for new affiliate marketers is to have your expectations in the right place from the get-go. You see, when our expectations are in the right place, we can bring the applicable force. And a great idea, or a great way for me to share this idea with you, is think about going to climb Mount Everest. Now, if you were unprepared for that kind of a journey, for trekking through the Himalayas, and if you showed up in tennis shoes, in lightweight hiking shoes, maybe you had a windbreaker, rain jacket, and that's all you came with, odds are you're gonna die on one of the base camps on your way up to Everest, because you underestimated the challenge that you were going up against, and you did not bring the correct tools, the right mindset, and the right amount of energy to overcome said challenge. Now, affiliate marketing by design in general is quite simple, okay? But that doesn't mean it's easy. We, as affiliate marketers, we help other people get that which what they are seeking. Whether it's physical products, if they're trying to figure out what's the best pen for drawing line art, we can have an affiliate site around artwork that would help them find that physical product. Or whether it's transformations and outcomes and promoting SEO courses or promoting how to make money online courses as an affiliate for helping those individuals get the transformation that they desire. It's really quite simple, but it's not easy. Just like hiking up a mountain is actually really quite simple, one foot in front of each other and you will get to the top. But here's what the truth is about affiliate marketing. It often takes years of trial and error, of creating content, of testing, of seeing what works, of learning how to create great content, learning how to publish great content, learning how to optimize your content, learning how to pre-sell products appropriately. There's a bunch of little learning curves in here, and most affiliate marketers fail because they give up when it gets difficult. They reach base camp, they realize they're woefully unprepared, they turn around and they fly back home to their little condo where they came from, and they never conquer the peak that they set out to choose. But those who do know what they're going up against, they realize the challenge that's there, and they're committed, and they bring the appropriate amount of force, they have the highest likelihood of achieving their goals. I know it's possible, having built 5 separate websites that are generating 6 figures each and more, some of them up to 7 figures. It is possible for you, but you need to know it takes time, it takes a lot of energy, and ultimately it's worth it in the end.
And here's another tip from another 7-figure affiliate marketer, Matt Diggity.
Hey, this is Matt Diggity from Diggity Marketing, the Affiliate Lab, LeadSpring, etc., etc. If I had to answer the question, what would be my number one tip to new affiliate marketers? If I have to answer that with one answer and one answer alone, it would be you got to keep your eye on the ball. And when I'm talking about the ball in this kind of sense, I'm talking about profit, I'm talking about revenue, I'm talking about cash flow, I'm talking about all that stuff. And many people might be thinking, well, what about traffic? Because isn't traffic the whole fuel to this whole profit machine, revenue machine, whatever you might be talking about? And I agree completely. I'm a big geek too. I love SEO. I got a freaking master's degree in electrical engineering. I love the numbers. I love gaming the system and all that. Trust me. But traffic is not the fuel to the engine. Profit is. Think about it like this. If you had a website making $5 a month, how much are you going to invest of that to drive more traffic? You're probably going to be even a little bit uncomfortable investing 100, 1,000, maybe 5,000. That might be your limit. But if you have a website making tens of thousands of dollars a month, you're going to really reinvest back into the business. You're going to be growing that traffic with all that extra profit. So that's the actual fuel. And the goal here is just to make sure you're always making all your decisions based on what's going to maximize my earnings, not necessarily always making decisions what's going to get me a ranking on this keyword that doesn't even mean anything in terms of ranking money. And when you're a new SEO, the most important profit related decisions you're going to be making is, what niche should I get into right away? What is the niche I should dedicate my time and energy to try to rank and try to make money from? I'll give you 2 suggestions here. Number one, if you're going to go for a hyper niche, meaning like you're not going to go for a broad topic, you're going to actually dig down into something like electric scooters, for example. Before you jump in and before you dedicate all this time and energy to a niche like this, do your research and for sure try to find an example of a website that's been sold on a marketplace so you can actually see proof that this niche actually makes money. Or an alternative strategy, which is what I use, is basically, I always go for broad niches. So I'll go for fitness, I'll go for technology in general. So I'm not really committed to one single niche. If I get into fitness, sure, I can get into protein powder, I can get into weight loss, I can get into all these things, which might fluctuate up and down with regards to their profitability, depending on season, depending on trending. But in general, because I've gone broad, I can pick and choose later on and not committed to a mistake that I might have made. So just to wrap this up, keep your eye on the money. And when it comes to niche selection, this is your most critical thing that you need to focus on. Get it right, do your research, or just go broad.
And now the third proven way to make money online is to, number 3, create a training course. So my training course, Gotcha SEO Academy, has over 1,000 students, and I can tell you, courses are one of the best business models once you understand how to do it. Now, out of all the methods I've shown you today, creating a course and growing it is definitely the most complicated. First, you need to become an expert in a skill. Second, you need to find a course idea. Third, you need to create what I call a minimum viable course. And then you need to market and sell the course. And lastly, you have to support your new students and make sure they achieve results. So as you can see, there are a lot of moving parts, but it's an amazing business model because it's extremely profitable and scalable once you have all the pieces in place. Now, like the other 2 methods, I'm going to be sharing a lot more about my experience creating, marketing, and selling online courses. So please subscribe now to get first access when those videos come out. So just to review, these are the 3 proven ways to make money online. Number 1, offer digital marketing services. And if you're new, focus on building your portfolio because it will make your sales much easier. Number 2, promote offers and earn commission through affiliate marketing. And don't forget, mastering SEO will help you drive more affiliate revenue than ever. Number 3, leverage and scale your expertise with an online course. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe because I'm going to dive deep into these methods for making money online in the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the bell button when you subscribe to get first access to new videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.